my left. Oh.
All right, we've arrived to the Mud Cave parking lot. Let's go. So now I've arrived at the entrance of the Arroyo Mud Caves. We're just about to go in and wait for the group. All right, I think the group's ready. Let's roll. Let's go. All right, we're going in.
What?
Let's do it.
You said there's a mountain lion. I don't know.
I don't believe it.
There's a mountain lion.
In there?
I've never running out so fast.
Wow, going in, guys. Is there a giant room over here? Whoa, look at it. It was way up there.
How far back does it go?
Like a mile.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this.
That's in case you need food.
The can of food up there. Yeah. Right? All right. Adventure continues. Whoa. Oh, it's like a huge room. We got to go up over here. All right.
Let's go. No, it doesn't.
Look at that. Huge. So much dust in the air, though. Wow. I'm expecting it to open up to like a large room. It looks like the ceiling's getting higher too. See, no lights. Ooh. Okay. Wow. And it doesn't end here, guys. It keeps going on. You can stand up all the way in there, in this room. Wow.
Next.
These two routes that connect, the left and the right?
Go that way?
No, it goes as far until like it opens up. Oh really?
Wow.
That's what I remember. But I've never been this
So
far.
it's just a dead end
Wow.
at the end?
No, you can keep climbing.
Oh.
Let's just go straight.
But then it gets really tight.
Let's check it out.
Like the people in
There's a large opening coming up.
Yeah, that's as far as we went last time.
Wow, this is cool.
This really? This is like so short. There's a super cave.
Wow, this is pretty cool in here, huh?
Hey guys!
I like this room.
Guys, there's a super cave. There's a super cave.
It's cool.
Kaya. Kaya.
Wow,
Get down, girl.
this is amazing. Well, you guys are going to have to climb up that, huh? Slippery though, yeah? I don't know if I can get up there without my camera gear on. Oh, you guys are going down there. Wow. There's an opening down below too. Okay, so we got two choices here. Up, which is really steep, or down, which is pretty narrow, huh? All right, I'm going to attempt to go back here. Ducking way down. Wow. This is cool. I came through there. Oh, there's some light at the end of the tunnel. Crawl through here. Wow. Oh, cool. It does open up. All right, I had one of the kids hang on to my camera for me. Now I'm able to take some video and show you guys what's on the other side of this cave. This is cool. Wow. There's like a little spot down there, but I'm gonna go up this way. Wow, you guys should see this. Just opens up. I think if I went right, I can go connect with this pathway down, but I'm gonna go down this way. It just winds back through the canyon. Let's go check it out. Try to catch up with the rest of the group. Some of the group stayed behind, but some of the group they pressed ahead too, so I'm gonna see if I can meet up with them. Go around here. Oh, this is awesome. It keeps going on. It's like a labyrinth. We're not quite there yet, but look at it. It's getting more narrow right here. Walking right next to the side. This little pathway, I guess, is where water went through at one point. Going back into a cave, looks like. This goes back pretty far. Wow. Wow, it just keeps going, guys. Let's see if I can catch up. Wow. If I had to guess, it probably goes back like 2 or 3 miles. I've been walking for like a good 20 minutes. Oh, it's cool. There's a little archway right there. Should have brought my camera. I'm going to take a picture with my phone and put it on Instagram though. Oh, wow. That's cool. A quick photo. Nice. This is pretty cool. It just goes back really far. I don't hear anybody talking, so it must be pretty far ahead. This is so cool. Came through there. All right, I just ran into a couple walking past me in the other direction, and they said that my group is just up ahead, so I think we're coming up to them here in just a few minutes. Hey, if you've made it this far in the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Helps out the algorithm, and make sure to subscribe, all right? So I can keep doing more adventures like this. We're gonna go through that now. Somehow I've gotta wedge myself through there or duck down. I think I'm gonna go this way. It's like so narrow. Wow. Okay, made it. Whew. All right, so we're gonna come around this next corner. So what's over here? Just makes you curious, makes you want to keep going. I don't know what's around the next corner. This is like a movie set or something. It's pretty long trail though. I'm still walking, guys. Looking for my group. They're up here somewhere. The geology of this place is really cool. Look at the way this wall up here is curved. There's like a perfect passage just going through it. It's pretty narrow, but you can fit. Wow. Oh, yeah. I'll put the link to this place in the description. You can check it out. Arroyo Mud Caves. This is in San Diego County, California. All right, they should be right up here. Hey! I left my camera with Adrian though. He's got it. Hopefully he's taking good care of it. I left the main camera with Adrian and he's holding on to it for me. With Heather.
You stay back?
That was, yeah.
They're gonna go back and meet us at the car?
I should have brought it though. They're gonna meet us at the car, yeah. Does this connect all the way through or we have to turn around?
They go up there.
Take a video of Noah.
No, where you at? He crawled back there somewhere, huh? Oh wow, Noah's way up there on the hill.
Take a video of him.
How did he get up there?
I have no idea. And nobody's up there with him. Should I be concerned?
You can do that.
Uh-huh.
Watch your head.
Really,
Whoa.
it's a workout.
Look at that.
And we have to do the same way back, huh?
Wow, so somehow one of the kids got to the other side. He must have left across one of these. There's a canyon in the middle. I just crawled up this hillside. Noah's way over there. All right, so I finally caught up with the group. Man, that trail was going on forever. I was like, I was leaving my camera with Adrian.
That's why you speed it all up. You're like,
Yep.
oh, we're here.
Wait, where's Elias?
Elias and Danny went back, and Adrian and Heather. Adrian's holding on to my camera. They're right at the point where the cave got low.
Oh.
I should have brought my camera though.
Wait, you went through the cave?
Yep.
Oh, they went through the cave.
Adrian's right at the entrance to the cave.
No,
Cool.
Where did all the others go?
They stayed back, some of them.
Where did all the others go? I'm thirsty too.
It's like you're on the moon. It's crazy. Just flips over, keeps going. Hey, boys. Yeah, so this place, Diablo Drop Off, is popular with off-roading people and people with bikes. Because when you get up here, well, I guess you could camp here too. There's a campfire. But when you get up to the top of this hill, you're rewarded with this amazing view. And there's just, it's like a playground for off-road vehicles. There's all these places you can, you know, test your vehicle out to its max, to its limits. All right, my friend's gonna attempt this hill. He's up next. We'll get a closer look. All right, Thomas is coming down the hill right now. He's got to go over all these giant bumps, so let's see. That sound you're hearing above is a drone. We're filming it from above too. Whoa. Up in the air. Made it. And next up we got Dan. Dan the man. His turn. He's driving the 4runner. Bumps. Ooh, sliding. Whoa. He was up in the air pretty good there. Oh, there he goes. So I hope you enjoyed our short visit to Diablo Drop Off. And it's a good spot to come to test your vehicle's limits. Pretty cool, and good spot for the sunset too. A little bit cloudy today, but yeah, the colors are amazing in the sky. I'll put a link in the description as always. And thanks for watching.